Unsa ang tulo ka pinakaimportanteng butang sa kusina o ngano? Again, unsa ang tulo ka pinakaimportanteng butang sa kusina o ngano?
Thank you. If it is a dirty kitchen, I would say the most three important things is the caldero, the cuchara, and the plato. Because caldero is multi-purpose. You can cook rice. Pwede ka siya magluto so that you like sabaw and fry. Second is the cuchara. Cuchara is also multi-purpose where you can also use it as luwag for the talon, luwag for the sabaw, and luwag for yourself. Third is the plato. Plato is the most important thing whenever you are eating, especially if it wants to add a sabaw. Second, plato can be used as a storage of the bahaw and a storage for the leftover na sudan. Thank you and good evening.
Thank you.